Theta value equivalent to 14.7165 rands a coin. The present cost range, 14.0765. 14.7317. The earlier day close, 14.1884. The change was plus 0.5281. Plus 3.72%. Backwards rate. ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for. In the not so distant future and month. Theta cost expectation on Monday, July 24. Costs 13.93 rands. High 14.91. Low 12.95. Theta conjecture on Tuesday, July 25. Cost 14.25 rands. High 15.25. Low 13.25. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26. Cost 14.68 rands. High 15.71. Low 13.65. Theta figure on Thursday, July 27. Cost 14.74 rands. High 15.77. Low 13.71. Theta cost expectation on Friday, July 28. Cost 14.35 rands. High 15.35. Low 13.35. In multi-week Theta figure on Monday, July 31. Cost 14.67 rands. High 15.70. Low 13.64. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1. Cost 13.87 rands. High 14.84. Low 12.90. Theta figure on Wednesday, August 2. Costs 13.51 rands. High 14.46. Low 12.56. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, August 3. Cost 12.91 rands. High 13.81. Low 12.01. Theta figure on Friday, August 4. Cost 14.12 rands. High 15.11. Low 13.13. In about 14 days Theta cost expectation on Monday, August 7. Cost 14.03 rands. High 15.01. Low 13.05. Theta figure on Tuesday, August 8. Cost 14.63 rands. High 15.65. Low 13.61. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9. Cost 14.99 rands. High 16.04. Low 13.94. Theta figure on Thursday, August 10. Cost 14.88 rands. High 15.92. Low 13.84. Theta cost expectation on Friday, August 11. Cost 14.81 rands. High 15.85. Low 13.77. In 3 weeks Theta figure on Monday, August 14. Cost 15.11 rands. High 16.17. Low 14.05. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15. Cost 14.69 rands. High 15.72. Low 13.66. Theta figure on Wednesday, August 16. Cost 14.13 rands. High 15.12. Low 13.14. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, August 17. Cost 13.98 rands. High 14.96. Low 13.00. Theta figure on Friday, August 18. Cost 14.10 rands. High 15.09. Low 13.11. In about a month Theta cost expectation on Monday, August 21. Cost 14.21 rands. High 15.20. Low 13.22. Theta figure on Tuesday, August 22. Cost 15.07 rands. High 16.12. Low 14.02. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for November 2023. To start with cost at 11.59 rands, exorbitant cost 12.09, while low cost 10.51. The found the middle value of cost 11.37. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 11.30. Change for November 2.5%. Theta gauge for December 2023. To start with cost at 11.30 rands, exorbitant cost 11.30, while low cost 9.44. The found the middle value of cost 10.55. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 10.15. Change for December 10.2%. Theta cost expectation for January 2024. To start with cost at 10.15 rands, exorbitant cost 12.52. While low cost 10.15. The found the middle value of cost 11.13. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 11.70. change for January 15.3%. Theta gauge for February 2024. To start with cost at 11.70 rands, exorbitant cost 14.52. While low cost 11.70, the found the middle value of cost 12.87, Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 13.57, change for February 16.0%, Theta cost expectation for WOC 2024, at the outset cost at 13.57 rands, excessive cost 14.76. While low cost 12.82, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.74, Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 13.79, change for spring 1.6%. Theta conjecture for April 2024, at the outset cost at 13.79 rands, excessive cost 14.99. While low cost 13.03, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.96, Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 14.01, change for April 1.6%. Theta cost expectation for May 2024, in the first place cost at 14.01 rands, exorbitant cost 16.42, while low cost 14.01, the found the middle value of cost 14.95, Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 15.35, change for May 9.6%, Theta estimate for June 2024, to start with cost at 15.35 rands, exorbitant cost 16.17, while low cost 14.05, the found the middle value of cost 15.17, Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 15.11, change for June 1.6%, Theta cost expectation for July 2024, to start with cost at 15.11 rands, exorbitant cost 15.11, while low cost 12.54, the found the middle value of cost 14.06, Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 13.48, change for July 10.8%, Theta estimate for August 2024, to start with cost at 13.48 rands, exorbitant cost 16.45, while low cost 13.48, the found the middle value of cost 14.70, Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 15.37, change for August 14.0%, Theta cost expectation for September 2024, in the first place cost at 15.37 rands, exorbitant cost 15.37, while low cost 13.31, the found the middle value of cost 14.59, Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 14.31, change for September 6.9%, Theta gauge for October 2024, in the first place cost at 14.31 rands, exorbitant cost 15.56, while low cost 13.52, the found the middle value of cost 14.48, Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 14.54, change for October 1.6%, Theta cost expectation for November 2024, in the first place cost